Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So on this day, we were switching out one of the downstairs bedrooms into a dining room. So in this video, real quick, you'll see us remove the drywall, put up some temporary bracing, and put a beam in order to have an open concept dining room. So this part of the remodel was just one of the beginning steps to the overall plan of having a completely open concept downstairs. So when we first bought this house, it was 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And on the other side of this wall that they've just now taken down, it actually used to be one of the bedrooms when we first moved in. Both the girls and the boys at different times had this room. But our first project when we moved into this house was converting the attic into living space. So now that all of our kids have bedrooms upstairs, we were able to remove this wall and turn it into a dining room. These boys here are our neighbors across the street. They kindly offered to help my husband and my father-in-law get this beam up because they needed more than just the 2 of them. Somebody had to hold it while somebody had to screw it into place. So they offered to help, and there we go. It turns out I didn't get any more video after this of them taking out the temporary supports, but I do have 2 shots of what it looks like all finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one.